for a lot of parts of this in this what's it called in a sec, I think. In this series of me fixing this engine and putting together a Minibike that we can hopefully get running, I will be dividing a lot of parts up into little segments to where if you just need one part, like how to fix a carburetor, or how to fix a full start, you can just click on that part in a separate video. You know, now we can actually, there's no gas in it, so it won't start. Oh shoot. If we wanted, we could put gas in it and attempt to start it. I'm not going to do it. Alright. I'll do it yet. So, now, back to our old problem. This thing. Let me just check. Quick thing, let's check if there's oil in it. I doubt there is, but goodness. There is oil, but it's a lot of oil. Oh, yeah. Let me get it. This is probably going to trash. A lot of other things that we can fix on this. Probably going to cut this up in separate videos, but this might be one part of maybe a fix. So, inside of here, I mean, I'm not sure if you can see it when you move it. There's a spring. Alright. Here. Try to see that. Keep your eye on it. It doesn't exactly pull this back. Now, I'm not completely sure that's why it's not going back. But I'm gonna take a guess and say that there's a good chance it is. This carburetor's looking a little dirty. I'm gonna see if I can take this off, see if there's anything. Maybe clean it up. Too tight, so I can take this off. This thing is rusty. This should be coming off much more. It's not. There you go. Pop it off. No, that looks like there's no air filter. Let me take this off. That's the time. is going to be cut up. This entire video is probably going to be cut up into a couple different parts because no one wants to watch a 20-30 minute video of just this. Or I wouldn't, so I'm not really sure. Good tip, make sure you always have a place for your bolts and other things and nuts so you don't lose them. Oh my god, this is dirty. Take these off. Make sure you take these parts off, otherwise you might damage them when you pull this off. Take that off. Take that off. This should this tank of gas. So we have needle nose pliers. This entire thing is full. That meant to look like that. I got it. Okay. So apparently this bowl is a twist off. I'm no expert, but that doesn't look right. That is a very dirty bowl. I'm not even really sure what that is. Looks like something out of The Last of Us. That's going to 100% have to get cleaned. The bowl actually looks pretty white, pretty clean. I'm probably going to buy a new carb because, as you can see, let's turn this. This is very disgusting. Try to zoom in. This is a very. Oh my god, it's not center. This is disgusting. All rusty. Most of this is actually very dirty. I'm going to wonder what that is. I'm going to actually have to clean all this up. And let me look over there. What we'll be using this. If any companies watching, they should really let me sponsor them. Alright, so basically this is just a what is going to happen. This is series. Entire series is going to be basically like start to this YouTube channel. With publicity. Yeah. All right. Going to finish clicking it off camera. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I will be putting more like segments in this, so it's easier to scroll through. Consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed the video. And please tell your friends about this channel so it can get a little more publicity. Publicity? Yeah, publicity. Pub. Pub. Publicity. Publicity. Publicity.